let's talk about page 3. At this point, you will have already chosen your two favorite text typefaces from pages 1 and 2. It's your two favorites, whichever two you think read the best and look the nicest to your eye. On page 3, you are going to try both of those favorites in 3 different size and leading combinations each. So what I recommend is that you create a new page for your page 3. Of course, this will have your page grid, it will have your footer at the bottom, and you go to your page 1, you copy your two favorites. So let's say my two favorites are Baskerville. I'm going to copy it, paste a sample onto page 3, and I also want to try Optima. Copy it, paste it onto page 3. So your favorite on the left, your second favorite on the right, and then just copy these boxes 2 more times each. And what you want to do is try different combinations of size and leading. So maybe you think, I think Baskerville looks good, I like it, but I wish it had a little bit less leading. I'm going to try 9 on 10. And I'm going to change my header accordingly. Maybe this one, I think, I'd like to see it, the type just a hair larger. So I'm going to actually make it 9.5, 9.5 points. On 11, maybe I'll leave the leading alone, see what that looks like. And maybe for my third one, I'm going to try it a little smaller. I'd say 8 point for your text type is probably the minimum you're going to want to go. Much smaller than that, and it's going to be a little hard on the eyes, but it depends on the typeface as well. But with less leading, smaller size, I might try less leading. So I might make this Baskerville 8 on 10 for my last one. You do not have to match the size and leading from left to right. Different typefaces are going to look different at different sizes because X heights are different, cap heights are different. So you want to try some samples that look best for the size. Optima, for example, I might try it larger. I might try 10 on 12. So again, always make sure that you're updating the label at the beginning of each one. See, I forgot down here with Baskerville. This is 8 on 10. Just go back. It's very easy to forget. Double check, make sure that you are updating everything to be the size, that the labels indicate the size that you're using. So I might try one that's 9 on 10. I'm keeping the same size but less leading. And then maybe I'll try one more that's smaller. I'm going to try 8.5 on 10. Now looking at this looks a little crowded. I'm going to maybe go a little bit bigger. You can use fractions of a point, that's fine. I generally tend to keep it to half or a quarter at the most, like I wouldn't, get into 10.3.7 or anything like that, but I might do 10.5 or 10.25 or 10.75. And this is page 2. Think about it, look at it on screen, try some different sizes. You want to try 6 different sizes that you think look really good, print them out, see which one you think looks best. And that is page 3. Choose, basically at the end of printing page 3, you want to narrow it down in 2 directions. You want to narrow it down to one of your 2 favorite typefaces, and you want to choose one size and leading combination. So you actually will have 4 combinations in front of you because you will have 3 new size leading combinations that you've tried here, plus you will have the 9-on-11 one that you tried on page 1 or 2. And that's page 3.